to cut the chases from this part as we cut there and from this bar, but you have to keep the corner bar as it is. I will explain you in the video. And also these four you have to press. Okay, this is how we make the chases before installation, then brackets can be fit properly. Installed 5 down, 3 here, 4 here, 4 here, 4 here. Okay, let me explain you the string, how we make this string. You can see this is the junction block. Here this positive, this one is going to this module. This module is number 1 module, the first one. We start from here. Then from 1 to 2, this one is second module. We connect the wire with 1 to 2, second module. And then from top to bottom, second to third, down is number 3, third module. Third, and the next one in the down is fourth, and then it will be connected from the back side, top to bottom. This is 5. This is fifth module, and you can see fifth module is connected in series with 6. This one is 6, and then downside is 7, and the next one down is 8, and up is 9. Then this one is 10, and the bottom is 11. You can see module number 10, and it is connected with module 11. Here we connect this, actually the wire is here. We connect this bottom module to this one is 12, module 12. Then module 12 connection is going to the service switch from here. Here it is going to the service switch, and then this is the current sensor. From here we take the wire which is connected to the module number 13. This one is 13. Now the string which comes from 12 and then service switch, and then service switch to 13, there we get the wire from down 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, and then we connect this bus bar 18 to 19 here. This is 19, this is 20, 21, 22, 19, 20, 21, 22. This module is 23, Here it is connected from here to here, it is 23, and then it connects with 24. This is the last module. So this negative is going to this module number 24, and all the wires it is going towards the BMS. This is the original plug, you are going to use the original wires as it is, and this is the current sensor, you use original. But the BMS wires here we will provide with the connector with 1 by 1 number. So you have to follow this string and connect all the modules in the same direction, so you can connect very easily. Here we are going to install the top cover of the 63 kilowatt battery. For 63 kilowatt hour battery, you have to do alteration on the top cover. Like you have to cut this plate and weld it higher on the level of this service switch. Then it can be fit properly, because the module height is here 2 centimeter higher. This is the only alterations you have to do with the top cover. Other all modules and everything is fit properly on the base. You can see from the both sides. We just cut on the level of service switch, and that's it. That is really easy to install, and it will be sealed properly. We will put the sealant and close it on the board, so no need to worry about this thing. I think so that is fine. You can see from the back side, every side it is fit properly, but you have to make sure that after you cutting and put it back, you have to paint it properly to avoid the corrosion. You can see that the cover it fit properly bolt to bolt. From all the side it fits properly bolt to bolt. You can see. Yeah, just you have to modify the case from the middle, and you have to put the proper sealant to make it seal proper, put silicone, and then it will be fit proper. That's good.